Hello everyone and welcome to Programming with Rocky. Last video I was discuss about the course overview for front-end web development. Today I will set up the environment for this. Let me tell one thing, this is not mandatory to use editor which I will use. This is up to you. By the way, I will use Visual Studio Code or VS Code. If you want, you can use it or you can choose another one, which one is comfortable to you. Today I will install this software on Windows 10. After installing, I will add some extension. It will be speed up our coding. So let's go. Now I am on Chrome. You can choose anyone which you want is comfortable for you. Let's go search PS Code download. Then we get the first link. This is the official website to download Visual Studio Code. So I'm as you know that I'm on Windows 10, so that's why I install Windows. If your device is Mac or Linux, then you can use this two option. So let's click on the Windows. It's downloading. This video will be very basic but very important because this is the first step to start the coding. One tip for all of you: if you are a beginner, then my suggestion will be use Notepad, or you can use Notepad++, because it will help you to writing the code. One more thing, when you are learning, type all the code, don't copy and paste. So it takes some time. It's downloading. So this is the official website. You can read the instruction. There is a documentation. So we are waiting for downloading this. It's quite slow. After downloading, I came back. Hey, welcome back. The download is made. Now click on this, or you can click one time so that it's run. So we go to the folder where it's downloaded. Okay, now double click on it. This is the executed file. So okay, now there is a terms and condition, I mean lines agreement. Read this, then click on the accept the agreement, then click on the next button. This is the path where you install this software. So I state as default, and then click on the next. Then the folder name, it's also same, and click on the next. Then if you want a desktop icon, then click on it and stay on all as default. Then click on the next, then click on the install. It will take a few seconds, then it's automatically run. Let's wait some second. It's already done. Yeah. If you want launch automatically, then click on it, or if you want don't, then uncheck it. So we need to run it, so that's why it's stay as default. Now click on the finish. Yeah, it's very simple. This is the welcome page. So recent, this was I made or used previously, that's why it come, but if you new, then it will be not come. Okay, as we tell earlier, we will install some extension. For this tutorial I will install 2 extension, and when we need then we will install on the another video. Let's click on that, and this is the extension icon. If I click on that, then it's come. So I have already installed 3, so I will tell you how to install. So I search prettier. This is a code formatter. It helps you format your code and provides color keywords for more readable code. So we need to click on that, install. It's installing now. Yeah, it's done. Now we will install live server. Yeah, this one I already have installed, that's why it's say uninstall. It will make our PC into live server. In next video I will show you how to use it. So that's for it. You already installed this Visual Code. So next video I will try to create your first code or hello world code. So that's now for today. Thank you so much to seeing this video. Please like, subscribe and stay with us. Happy coding.